Baby Your Baby provides basic medical coverage for pregnant women while they go through the process of getting on Medicaid, which can take 4 to 6 weeks. This allows pregnant moms the ability to receive much-needed prenatal care. Baby Your Baby provides medical doctor's visits, an ultrasound, lab work, and prenatal vitamins, which will be paid for while they go through the Medicaid approval process. To apply, you go to our website to the Baby Your Baby page. You can then click the Medicaid application. It will then pull up this screen where you go to apply for the program online. This will take you to the utah.gov website where you will create an account if you don't already have one. After filling out the Medicaid application, you will click on the box to fill out the Baby Your Baby application. Please allow 5 business days for processing. You will get an email letting you know if you are approved or denied.